Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and today I have a card share video. I am joining hashtag 2crafters1design, who is Melissa, who's Mo Creations, Lisa, you see I'm a diva, Gloria, who's Girlier's Cards, and I'm also joining hashtag Set More Makes, who's Jill. She's Jillian Norwood Designs Greenwood Girl Cards here on YouTube. So Jill likes you to create items throughout the week and then share your designs on Saturday morning. Two Crafters One Design, they give you a theme each week and ask you to join them on Saturday sharing items you created with that theme. So this week's theme is Ladybugs. So I made some cards to go along with that theme. Let me share with you what I used. First up, I used these gems that I've had for a very long time. These were from Heidi Swap, and keep on using them till they're gone. I used the Spellbinders 3D embossing folder, flowers and foliage. Don't you hate that the packaging doesn't hold up? You have to put them in another packaging or take off the packaging. I don't know. So then I also used this 3D embossing folder from Spellbinders called Linen. So those two embossing folders. So I have a die set from Stampin' Up that I was going to use. But then I thought, well, let me go on, Cricut and see if I can find a really cute Ladybug and Design Space. So I did. So here's the first little card. Super simple, flat, easy to mail, no additional postage. But I thought it turned out cute. Now, to be honest with you, I didn't size the Ladybug exactly the right size that I was going for, but it was late and I was tired and I wasn't paying attention, and it came out a little big, but I still wanted to use it on the A2 card. So, and then this hello is from my stash. I cut it out and have a ton of them. I'm not sure where that comes from, but there's the first card. Yes, I made multiple cards. And so the next card is using the flowers and foliage embossing folder. I thought that turned out really cute with the flowers. Simple, thinking of you. No bells, no whistles, just a simple, another flat card. Now the next card, I put a little bit of embellishments on them. And those were from, not sure, I think the Heidi Swap, yeah. So here is the next card. It says, hello friend, and this is with the linen embossing folder. I don't know, I like both of them, but I can't choose. I like them both. I just love how big he turned out, the Ladybug. And then the third one, this is also using the linen embossing folder. It's happy birthday. And this time I put the little adhesive dots inside the little Ladybug, little whatever they are on his little wings. And so it has dimension. It's maybe hard to see in the video, but each of the little places I put, an enamel dot. So that's another one. I have one more card. So this time I have a little bit of a story for this card. So this is the next card. Once again, super flat, super simple. Really like this one too. Now this little Ladybug, I tried to put some, I think it's Spellbinders glazing glue or sparkle glaze. Oh no, it was Lawn Fawn's sparkle glaze right here. You see that? Anyway, I tried to put it in the little circles, but it was too sparkly, and I only did a few on this side, so I was able to just cut those off and then use them so this little Ladybug would have a partner hanging out or hanging on. So those are my cards. Let me know what you think below. Once again, this is joining hashtag 2crafters1design and hashtag Set More Makes. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you watching my videos. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.